Mama wakwaba midin ede ajoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ohene Boamah a oye juma ewo radio XYZ and afenso Power FM or the ensembia tudwa afa eye honorable Abena Cecilia Dapa nensema etwegu mekane nsema etwegu amigidi ye passe obia enim eye ni two mates a omwawia no sika nye sika ketwa kra $1 million plus 30,000 euros and some Ghana cedis bi amofre atimi awia honorable ede ensemwe akodan quarter abebe Ghana fo obia eka ho asem na ensembe na ohene Boamah aka ede afasa enseme ho ne nsem okanyina ne se Ghana youth na fenso Ghana fo yenye careful na yenhwe yie pa se yento aba emfema akokore bia na ebusuafo ensemwe na ohene Boamah aka no achichire ona akasa na menkasa enche ne yentie ensema ohene Boamah ede atudwane ensansomra. Ebusuafo ye nyina yate ensema ohene Boamah ede atudwa na ebusuafo ensema ohene Boamah eka no yenti ameka se achichiro na nkasa no se Ghana fo yenhwe yie na yanto aba anase yento aba emfema openia wenya more than 60 years anase akokora bia wo Ghana hanom no eye perfect idea me to chedeba ohene Boamah me bonsem ede ema no yes eyampa enti no enya de oman pani dada John Dramani Mahama ebeto aba ede amane bio because oman pani dada eye pani ena aside oye pani no wasan so abaye man pani da ene ehu ni oye ena de sorry de oye ena de obe nso obetimi aye ene yenim se de obeye no emwa because de obeye no ye hu so enti no so ohene Boamah eka se emana Ghana fo nto aba emfema akokora biwa minimi se ensema awoka no oka akosi se 2024 yento aba emfema man pani dada John Dramani Mahama ene nso de embaso eyade a NDC fu betimi akọ back asanso akwakoyi flag bearer foforo the youth abade a why not ye beto ama no enti sade a ene NPP fo na NDC fo afi we youth no ye ni abre ye ni so anwan enti ne nyade a wotena waka se ma yento aba ma akokora bia na minimi sa asama woka no woka de ama NDC fo anasa woka de favor NDC fo nti se yento aba emfema akokora de a ele no man pedi dada John Dramani Mahama nso yakokora enti nya de 2024 ye beto aba no ede amo man pedi dada enti asema wankasa woka no waka ede abua hofo ebusuafo ensemwe eno ohene Boamah ede atudwa.
Now I'm telling everybody today, John Dramani Mahama and his NDC will lose by 2 million votes. 2 million. Dr. Boamah will beat him by 2 million votes. As it stands, the northern region is tied. The next election, NDC will struggle to even hold the seats they have, mark it anywhere. Especially with the kind of antics and tactics they did to get certain people out of the way, move with the ripple effect that will come. Mark it here. Obi a mark wa hamame. Na maka asem bi akere MPP for. Maka asem bi akere MPP for se bra kofi me masodaye. Nyame aka akere me say or the Ghana ama MPP for the next 20 years. Read my lips. The next 20 years or the Ghana ama MPP. If only yabeya ye niame ye na ye dinokra ma Ghana for. I'm telling you. Brakofi, because the amount of time we have given to this party called NDC, and they are not able to turn anything around, but will rather turn around and ask yen kodano mesi me ade we minti bi da me ne me bra pani wo fie na asemusi a yesu ko bi se oni aketewa no na pani ne mferi o wo pani no maketewa na agiwani onyam. Ye be said development, as could be MPP for. Let's question them. Where is the money? Where is the day? And then they move money no. Sikana musimu no. After the more primary selection, MPP for NDC for it more camp project here this can I. And then there's some judge to me because there's a project rolled out by Ekufuado and he lobby for it. And then there Robson Dofiame po it to me betra say Ekufuado I BB through get fund e no ho. And you come and access Sikana we. Now, let's go to Kumewu because that is where the whole thing is. Media Canada that NDC is going to lose Poto. Plan on the call honi no a backfire. Utie. Plan NDC for the call hono a backfire. Sheda koshe share microphone because yakwaka say o flag bearer akoshe 1 and then 2 million in a day. Into also copy be the Achilles house. We here infrastructure. Whether say election no election what the answer say ya wa kwan na ma. You are rather saying say yeah by election into the politicians are because you people choose to take omo olonka instead of development. That is the problem. You people take things for cheap. Kashenko phone trimu say ebeye election inti ene ya beye omo kwan amomo nanka magina ho nanka mabiso omo say na momo so no enye ya beye election na muka se mu beye Kumewu sabi hospital amayen ene ko wie sen anko ba bia. Now I have this thing to say about this election. I'm very convinced NPP be winning Kumewu seat in the back. After all, it is our thing. What you say? It is our seat. It is our seat, and we are going to collect that seat. Mark it anywhere. Tuesday or China, right? No metal. You people will see. Because MDC for tactics Nina said, the Yamin Kowa Okoyane say, Yanko share independent candidates no echi. Na shitty NPP for Abano. Now, I believe say independent candidates, no. One kasa crowd wa a good Kumewu hono. Any niyama air no, they are seeing some for themselves. Elections is on the ground, though. And ya wo utili mo pop bonnie and ne beye juma. Mutie. And yes, I will